So I wanted to give an update of my test of trying to salvage a Phalaenopsis using water culture and its comparison in the same time frame to another Phalaenopsis that I acquired from the same source that all I did was just water it. I didn't repot it, I didn't do anything. So on the left here is a Phalaenopsis. It came in, it has very desiccated, it had not been watered, a lot of the roots were dead. And so, you know, I did the traditional. I took it out of its medium, I trimmed off all the bad roots, and I put it in a container, right, with just bottom roots in, and it's pretty limp still. So you can see it's pretty limp. Still looks very desiccated. Doesn't look like roots covering, hasn't put out any new roots. Now, in the same room, so next to it on the right here, I have a Phalaenopsis where it came in, similar issues, lots of dead roots, packed very tightly into this plastic moss container. You can see that it has cold damage, and its leaves were just as limp. It hadn't been watered in quite some time. You can see the remains of it being limp here. And all I did with this one, I didn't even bother to cut the spikes off, to put energy into making say new roots. All I did was water it in the same container. And you can see that the leaves here, so this leaf is firm now over here, this underside leaf, it's firm. It's not floppy. Compare it to the floppy leaf, right, where I'm holding it in now. And I mean, you can see the damage for both the cold and not being watered, because you can still see the remaining like grooves here in the leaves. But same room, same source. These two Phalaenopsis came from the same exact source in the same box, and I just treated them differently. And so far, water culture has not been better than just, hey, leaving it in the sphagnum moss. So there's the update of water culture versus moss.